Bro, let me spill this one. You know that guy who starts betting on games just for fun? Small stakes with the boys? I know a dude exactly like that. Let's call him Blake. 27, regular job, downloads a sports betting app, wins a couple early bets. Feels like a genius. Next thing, he's chasing bigger wins to prove he can pick him. Losses pile, but he doubles down. One more bet and I'm even. Imagine thinking you're smart enough to beat the system and ending up hiding it from everyone. If you've ever bet more than you should, this story's gonna hit hard. Blake's wake-up saved him. Stick with me. Blake's always loved sports, watches every game, knows stats cold. Friends bet casually, he joins in $20 here, $50 there. Wins first few, cashes out $300 easy. Bro, you know that rush when you pick winners and money hits your account? Blake was hooked quick. App notifications blowing up. Free bets, boosts, hot streaks. He's thinking, I'm good at this. Why not make real cash? Imagine telling yourself it's skill, not luck. That's where it began. Starts bigger, $100 on weekends, parlays for bigger payouts. Wins some, loses some, but the wins feel massive. You ever chased that high after a good bet? Blake did. Tells friends, I'm up overall. Half true. Posts vague, easy money memes. Money from paycheck going straight to app. I'll win it back. Girlfriend notices extra spending. He says, just fun with the boys. Ever downplayed something that's getting out of control? Classic move. The app makes it easy, deposit instant, bets 24/7. Losses don't feel real till balance zero. Things turn fast. Bad weekend, loses $800 on parlays. Instead of stopping, Blake deposits more. Got to get even. Bro, imagine that sinking feeling after a big loss but betting again anyway. That's the trap. Starts live betting during games, chasing every quarter. Wins some back, loses more. Down $2,000 in a month. You know the lie? I'm due for a win? Blake believed it hard. Hides statements from girlfriend, deletes app notifications, bets in secret. Friends ask about
You
picks.
good, bro?
He's quieter, makes excuses. Ever let something take over your phone time? Blake was on the app constantly. Paycheck gone before bills. Borrows from credit card. Tells himself next big win covers it. Sleep suffers, checking scores late, stressing losses. Confidence dips, feels stupid, not the smart bettor anymore. You ever chased losses and felt dumber each time? That was Blake spiraling. Shame hits full force. Loses another $1,500. Total down $3,500. Can't tell anyone. Bro, imagine hiding thousands lost from people closest to you. That isolation is brutal. Girlfriend plans trip, he says tight this month. Really covering betting hole. You know that guilt when you lie to someone you love over money? Blake lived it. Stops game nights, can't focus, no cash for drinks. Friends think he's busy. Ever withdrawn because you're ashamed of something? That was Blake. One night, big bet fails, account zero. Stares at phone, heart pounding, realizes he's addicted. Texts me freaking out. Man, I lost everything betting. I'm done. Hearing it out loud broke him. Admitted to girlfriend. Tears, all of it. She's hurt but supportive. Rock bottom. No savings, dead up, trust shaken. Feels like failure. Real men don't gamble away money. The chase cost more than cash.
No.
Confidence, relationships,
Why
peace.
me?
That confession was the turning point. Blake deletes apps, block sites, cold turkey. Bro, imagine hitting delete and feeling scared but free. That's step one. Tells close friends truth. No more fake. I'm winning talk. Most support, some share their own stories. You know that relief when you stop hiding? Blake felt it big. Gets accountable, girlfriend check statements weekly. Starts therapy app for gambling urges. Learns it's not weakness. It's brain chemistry. Ever faced an addiction head-on? Respect, that's Blake. Money audit brutal, sees exact losses. Side hustle restart. Overtime at work, extra $600 per month to debt. Mindset work huge. Winning isn't beating the book. It's controlling myself. The wake-up was raw. Honesty, accountability, small steps. but it pulled him out. Rebuild starts slow but steady. Blake pays debt aggressively. $3K gone in months. Builds $1,000 emergency fund first. No more need to win pressure. Bro, imagine having cash buffer so you never chase again. That security is everything. Therapy continues, tools for urges, healthier habits. Gym back, sleep fixed.
Long day at the
Side
money
income
market,
grows.
honey. It's
$800/month steady. Banks it all, no betting apps allowed. You ever replaced a bad habit with good ones? Blake did. Sports watching pure fun now, no stakes. Girlfriend trust rebuilds, open money talks, joint goals. Relationship stronger. Friends circle real, no more fake winning talk. Hosts sober game nights, everyone respects the change. Investments start small, high-yield savings, then index funds. Real wins, not gambles. Biggest shift? He knows manhood isn't picking winners. It's discipline, honesty, building slow. No shame left, just pride in beating the addiction. The rebuild took time, debt payoff, habits, therapy, but it gave him life back. If betting ever pulled you in, know this: one decision stops it. Delete, get accountable, build real. Blake's proof. Now Blake's 29, debt-free, savings growing at $10,000. Betting apps long deleted and blocked. Bro, imagine watching games for pure fun again. No money on the line, no stress chasing losses. That peace is something he never thought he'd get back.
What do?
I work at the mall, hoping to save up and start a small business.
He's confident. Dates without secrets, hosts friends for game nights. Future talks with his girl feel exciting, not scary. Relationship thriving. She's proud of how he faced it head on. No more late night lies or hidden statements. Friends look up to him, not for hot picks, but for beating the trap so many guys fall into. Biggest win? Blake knows real wins come from control, not chance. Money works for him now, high-yield savings, index funds, steady side income. No gambling highs, just real growth. He's the guy mentoring buddies now. Don't start or stop before it's too late. If betting ever hooked you, even small stakes that grew, know this: it's beatable. Delete apps today. Tell one person the truth. Replace the urge with real goals. Blake turned chase into freedom. You can too.
Honey!
Start with one honest step this week. If the story hit home, drop a fire below.
Hey!
Tell me if you felt the betting pull or know someone who has.
Honey, we're off to
I
a
read
great
every
start
comment,
today.
no cap. And if you want more raw stories like this, no fluff, real struggles, real fixes, straight guy truth. Smash subscribe and hit the bell. New ones every week. We're building something real here, man. You got this.